that is the last video before I leave for the trip tomorrow morning. Right now time is 9:40 p.m. in the night. Plan is to get up by at least 4:30 to 5 a.m. and leave by 6 o'clock sharp from my home. No. I have to reach the meeting point in Kukatpally by 6 o'clock. I think we will be maintaining time this time because it's just me and Sharon. When there are like less number of people, then you can maintain all that. Anyways, done with all the packing. Just waiting for this to finish and then I'll throw it inside a bag and throw it inside the top box. That's it, right? All good to go. Chalo yaar, bahut ho gaya. Let's hit the highway tomorrow. Right? But there is a small catch. You guys know, in case you've seen my previous video, that we went for the COVID test. And we will get that test tomorrow morning around 1 o'clock because it takes 24 hours. I think by 1 o'clock we're gonna finish at least 300 kilometers. And in case we test positive, which shouldn't happen, in case that happens, we have to take a U-turn and come back. But at least we'll get a ride. Anyway, whatever happens is gonna happen for our own good. That's what I believe in. Let me finish all this task and I'll put it down on the bike so that I just need to get up in the morning, wear my gear and get out. Okay, what all is there in the bag, what all is there in the top box and what all is there in the tank bag, I'll be explaining tomorrow. For now I'm very sleepy because I got up like 7 a.m. in the morning. Nowadays I'm getting up very early and working out. Sriman, please stop talking about working out, diet, man. I can't help it. When I'm sharing a part of my life, you have to go through all of that. Okay, before putting my top box and my bag on the bike, first thing I have to do is do some Jantar Mantar. That's our tradition. My mom wants me to follow that and I respect that. I need to tie a lemon to the bike and in the morning I have to ride the bike over 2 lemons. One under the front wheel and one under the rear wheel. For now, I'll tie the lemon somewhere. Indian way of insurance. Alright, what's up guys? Kaise ho? Hello, I hope everyone is doing great. Bike is ready, I'm ready. I just need to wear the jacket. Gloves I'll wear after I reach the highway. And the second part of the tradition, Indian insurance. I have to roll over the tires on the Nimbu. So let me place the bike there. I'll wear the jacket first. Oh man, it's already freaking hot inside this jacket. Wearing my long boots by Orazo, super comfortable. They don't feel like you're wearing any riding boots. Keys. Arre yaar, fudge. I forgot the bike keys. Seriously? Even today? Alright, crush the lemon there. Let's crush the highway now. But yeah, that one thing is still there. We're still a little bit doubtful about our COVID test, but doesn't matter, we have to start now. Looks clear skies, sun is already coming up. Little bit of clouds over there, but chalega, hamare paas to climb hai. Let me put the route map. I have to go to JNTU, Kukatpally, 40 minutes from here. Alright, let's get out. Jai Balaji, Jai Mata Di, Jai Triumph. Okay, exited the AOC center where photography is prohibited. Now 25 minutes to Charan's place. Arre, bahut fogging ho raha hai yaar. This visor needs to be changed on my Shubhat helmet, but problem is I'm not able to find a new visor for this, and it seems Shubhat ka visor itself costs you approximately, oh shit, I have to take that side yaar, shit. I'm sorry, I have to do a little bit of a wrong route. Sorry, not recommended, but yeah, Shubhat ka visor itself costs you somewhere around 6,000 it seems. 6,000 you can literally buy a new helmet. Actually, similar ETA bata raha that side as well. Shouldn't we go that side? I think we'll go that side. So officially no wrong route. In case one of my hater was ready to blast me, I just waited there near the turn and I took the straight. Nice yaar, foggy weather. Right now 24.5 degrees. Awesome. But it's getting pretty hot in the day. It goes up to 31, which is ridiculously high. But array, remember, did you guys realize we're going for a very long ride after literally 6 months? My last trip was Munnar, Kerala, and after that now the bike is leaving the state officially. And did you guys observe? Hamara, arre, अरे हॉर्न इज गॉन, अभी तक आया ना। शिट। ग्रीन 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 ग्रीन। Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, we did it. We did it. अरे हॉर्न गया यार, seriously. It's coming a little bit. See? What's happening? There's no loose contact though. Okay, I'll figure out the horn later. Okay, so actually we'll be taking this particular route. This is Mumbai Highway. We'll be going through Gulbarga route. There are actually a couple of routes to go to Goa. Oh yes, I didn't tell you where are we going, right? So there were two places in mind. We wanted to go to Gokarna, either Gokarna or Goa. But Gokarna we were not able to find good stays. Accommodation ka problem hai. I mean, you will find accommodation, but then we wanted proper star hotels. I'll tell you why we need star hotels. For the current situation, we are not like really comfortable to stay at random places. This time we decided to stay at star hotels so that they maintain that hygiene. That is the main reason. Even if the budget is a little bit higher, we thought we'll stay in a good place, and that was not for a long time, so hardly 2 nights or max 3 nights. So yes, that's the place we're going to, Goa. Every year we have to definitely do that, especially me and Charan, and unfortunately even my wife. But and now Naisha is also there. She has to work, office, ये सब है. तो one more thing is we're not directly going to Goa today. We'll be staying at Belgaum. We'll stay there, and tomorrow morning we wanted to see the Ghats while riding, so it makes more sense, right? Otherwise by the time we reach Goa, it will be around night and we can't see the Ghats. Especially we'll be going through Chorla Ghats, and it's a beautiful place, so I prefer going in the morning. Okay, let me wait here. Charan will be coming here. Meanwhile, I have a little bit work to do. Let me do that. Okay, does this toll gate mean that we are exiting the state? Achha, we still didn't cross Telangana. Hey, what is this test? Hey. अरे अरे बच्चे फोन लो बैठ रहा हूँ. That is the first toll gate we crossed in the last 6 months. No, when we did the small 100-kilometer rides, we crossed, right? We did our first out-of-state trip after lockdown, after 6 months. This is the first one. Hey, no, Anandavatnam itla toll gate daati. Okay, so 4-lane highway is done. That is a 4-lane highway. We took a diversion. We have to go from here. Before that, we need some fuel, and I also need some fuel in my body. I need to eat. I'm feeling hungry. Okay, let's put the destination and check. Today we're going to Belgaum. So 409 kilometers, 8 hours 7 minutes to the destination, and we have done approximately. Why approximately? I can tell you the exact location. Let's see how much is it to my home. 172 kilometers, 3 hours 30 minutes. We did it in what, 1 hour 50 minutes non-stop. That's a pretty great pace. Right, it's going pretty well. Happy with the pace. Nice steel toe. You can actually put the bike on your leg. Nothing is gonna happen. You see that? It's a proper steel toe. I'm putting like full weight. Nothing happens. Except you're gonna get some dirt on your shoe. And the best part is these are proper water repellent, and usually even if it's like water repellent, problem is water goes from upper, but then these are like long boots almost till here, so there's no chance of water going inside. So pretty much you're gonna stay dry. Unfortunately today weather is nice and sunny, so not much of an issue. Full tank karo. Yeah, this is the thing about going to Goa. You'll have a lot of single lane highways like this. That is the last 4-lane highway you've seen. After that, almost till Goa, you don't have 4-lane highways. So your pace is gonna fall a lot. Yeah, Kalaburgi, 59 kilometers exactly from here. This is the first time I'm taking this road. I've done like 3 times Goa on the bike. This is the 3rd time. Once in the car, but always we went through Raichur, which is Bangalore highway. This is the first time I'm looking at all the scenery. Very beautiful, yeah. Oh. किधर जा रहा? गुलबर्गा कैमरा मीडिया का है, मीडिया के गुलबर्गा जंक्शन से राइट. See, Goa route is always surprising like this. You'll have different types of roads, adventurous roads. Cool. Full water logging. This is literally taking us through some villages. But I think in the last 20-30 minutes our average speed fell down to 20 kilometers per hour. See, because the roads are like this. Lot of patches after Gulbarga right. How do you know you're going in the right direction to Goa? You see a lot of sunflower fields like this. Very beautiful. And slowly it is getting hot right now. 28.5 degrees. Clear skies. I can see a little bit of clouds here and there, but I'm not expecting any rain. Oi, 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 oi. That was scary. This is to the place, huh? Oh, that's it. 280 kilometers left. Very cheap. 5 hours 47 minutes. I think we can do that in 5 hours 47 minutes, including breaks. Okay, we have done one Chichichinka 180 gullies ga. Two 180 gullies ga. At least 300 kilometers. Firstly, Charan, how are you? Are you able to ride? You didn't sleep at all.
2.5 hours.
Yeah, he slept at 2 o'clock, it seems, in the morning. Till 5 o'clock. I'm fine. I slept at around 11:30. That is one good thing which is happening. What happened? Some secret we can't talk about. Okay, some secrets we can't talk about. But anyway. Okay, we have done 275 kilometers.
In 3.5 hours.
In 3.5 hours. Which is pretty good pace. In this pace, I think we'll reach Belgaum in another 5 hours. And my horn stopped working, so I'm thinking I need to just adjust the polarity. There's a screw behind it. Is it there? Or is screw nahi? Oh yes, there is a screw behind. If I adjust that, hopefully it should work. Let's try it out. But usse pehle let's have some breakfast. I have my tiffin box. Charan, what are you eating? Charan got some ready to cook, ready to eat, ready to eat. हमारा tiffin box है oats. Let's put some hot water and. Oh no, hot water ready bitna? अरे hot water मर्चना जेपक रख please. Oh, first thing I need to do is charge my GoPro and charge my Sena. Every time I stop, I have to do that because I don't know if you're able to see it, but I sealed it with this waterproof. What is it called? Hot gun glue, whatever. I'll not be able to interchange my batteries. All I can do is charge through this port. Difficulties of vlogging. What say, Charan? We have to update this. Very important. Very happy news.
Market पड़िపోయాయని బాధలో ఉన్నా ఇప్పుడే.
पूरा कर्नाटका, oh we are in Karnataka by the way. पूरा Karnataka सुनो. Me and Charan are tested negative for COVID.
Yes.
So we are traveling to another state and we are responsible as well. Actually, we had plans not to travel if something happens. I mean if we are positive. I'll show you the proof. 1 second. Dear Sriman Kotaru, test result updated as negative for sample number XYZ. Oats. So I also set the horn. Hopefully it should work. It is working now. Problem is I don't know when will it stop randomly. अभी तो ठीक है. But when I'm riding, then it's a problem. Okay, as of now ETA shows 4:30, 4 o'clock in the evening, and including breaks it should take that much, maybe 5 o'clock max. This is a good thing when you're like just two people. If the group is big now, someone wants to have chai, someone wants to have something else, and then it's gonna get late like that. It's just two of us. Solo is the fastest, then at least two people is gonna be the fastest. Even 4 people is fine, but anything beyond 4, somehow I don't like the group. I don't like to ride in such a huge group. But like I always say, Goa route is really fun here. I mean, you'll not feel sleepy because you keep going through a lot of villages, and then a little bit of state highway, a little bit of national highway. No, national highway is not there. Maybe max 1 or 2 kilometers, that's it. And because we came from the other route, usually I go from Bangalore highway. This other route mein to highway was good, but only issue is overtaking. We'll have a lot of oncoming traffic. You have to be very careful, and because you go through a lot of towns and villages, a lot of people crossing and all that, so your pace is gonna be around 50 or 60 max. And oh yes, you have this lot of speed breakers in this highway. Actually they're better now. Before, when I came like 1 or 2 years back, there were like huge speed breakers, and there are multiple ones, you know, like 10 speed breakers at a stretch in the beginning of the village and then at the end of the village. Okay, in this particular stretch, since the last 20 minutes, 10 or 15 kilometers, it is like this, very patchy. Literally I have to saddle and ride, but my tank bag is coming in between while I'm saddling. See? But one good thing is these boots are pretty amazing to saddle because nice grip they have. It's like gum, it properly sticks to your foot peg. I experienced the same even while it was raining, even when my boots were wet with slush. They perform really well, especially when you're saddling. I would definitely recommend Orazio boots. The overall shoe is definitely toughened material, so in case of a stone or something hitting your leg, it can easily take it. Because I worn the same Orazio boots to Sikkim as well, and have experienced a lot of things there. Even Shiva wears the same boots. Actually, there are a couple of people in our group who wear the same boots, and we really like them. And usually when a bike falls, there is a chance your leg can twist like sideways, you know, that is the most dangerous thing. ISA is a comfortable way, but this movement is pretty sturdy and it can take falls. I would rate these shoes somewhere around say 8.5 out of 10. The reason for that is it's a water resistant, it's got a proper strong steel toe where you can run a car on it, and they cover your shin. Most importantly, there's nice comfort in the shoe, and सबसे most important, the pricing. It's around, I think, 3,999 or something, and you can use this coupon code for more discount. So the ride is going well. As you can see, plane lands, lot of crosswinds coming over. See, this is the reason I keep saying this a lot in my videos. This is the reason you need an adventure tourer if you want to do proper touring in India. A lot of people ask me, Abibi, if people ask me what bike to take and all that. For touring, you need a tour bike. For a street purpose, you will enjoy a street bike more. Adventure tourer pe, you can talk like this, forget if there is a pothole, suddenly it can take it. Aram se, no issues with all that. See, sudden speed breaker, no problem, just you can glide through it. Another speed breaker, no problem, just glide through it with one hand. This can't be done on a street bike. So I definitely suggest you to go for a adventure tourer if you're planning to tour India. Indra petrol bunk idra. This is the second fuel stop. Once again, I have half a tank left. How much is yours? Range? Seranka 80 kilometers left. Weirdly, the XR doesn't show the range, you know. It will show the range only once it reaches a reserve. Telangana. Abhi Belgaum. Belgaum. Yeah, once it comes back to reserve, like if there is 4 liters or something left in the bike. Belgaum जा रहे? हाँ बेलगांव. आगे कल देखना है. कितना दिन का क्रॉस है आपका? अभी 6 घंटे हो गया. This guy is disturbing me. I was telling you something, right? Yeah. So when there is 4 liters left in the bike, that is the reserve capacity of XR. Again, Bilchindu. हाँ. हाँ हो गया. पूरा हो गया. Okay, forget it. I was telling you something, right? 4 liters is the reserve capacity of my bike. Only then it shows the range. I don't know why is that. Why full tank? ये 5 लाख है वह. 5 लाख. 5 लाख. वो 6-7 तक होगा वो. स्पीड कितना चलता है? स्पीड 200 तक जाएगा. लेकिन रोड के हिसाब से जाना पड़ेगा. बस 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 निकल लो. 850. Okay. Lunch break. 12:45 p.m. We've done really good pace. I will tell you. Your location. Oh, that's it. Just 109 kilometers from here to the destination. 2 hours 15 minutes ETA. But I think we'll be doing it much more faster. We just off for lunch break and I finished my tiffin box. I don't have any more tiffin box. Cherny is gonna help me with something. What are you giving me? Veg fried rice, khichdi. We have a lot of stuff ready to eat. Just put some hot water and good to go. Actually, first we thought we'll stop at a restaurant and eat properly, but then just 2 hours left to the destination, so I think this is much better. And I can see a lot of orange spots, which means there is toll, speed breakers or traffic. But for us, no toll, no speed breakers, and we have a lot of options to eat.
Organic millet, Bismillabad, spicy veg manchow, dal khichdi.
Zishan, can I eat noodles? No, right? Rice is
Chili
fine.
chow kappa noodles.
No, rice. Anything ricey?
Bismillabad, yeah, dal khichdi.
Okay, let's finish eating the lunch. Meanwhile, you can watch the beautiful time lapse. Beautiful. Regular time lapse. Alright, ride update. We just finished having lunch. I forgot the brand, but that ready to eat food was really good. I would rate it at least 9 out of 10 because it was very healthy. There's not too much masala and I couldn't feel any preservatives and all that, so definitely recommended. So we really like the experience of eating ready to eat food because usually if you go into a restaurant, we sit, we order roti, we order paneer, we order lassi. It becomes really heavy, and then once you're on the road you feel so heavy and very sleepy. Now it's so light, it's just like a quick snack, and the best part is full hygiene, 100% hygiene. And also climate is being very supportive, nice clouds but not raining. A little bit drizzle over, but that was like very minute. Exact 3 o'clock we reached Belgaum. Oh, the mandatory prasadam. I don't know if this matters to you guys, showing you all this information, but some people like it, so
55 kilometers from my home.
555 kilometers from his place, that means from my home another 25 kilometers, which is 580 kilometers. Time is 7 as 22 minutes plus break time add to this, so approximately 9 hours. We did pretty good day 1. So let's check in and then I'll see you guys. Room tour, we got the pretty decent room tour. Actually, I'll show you the view. Maybe I'll not give this view tomorrow. A couple of windmills. I just saw the swimming pool somewhere.
Right side.
I can't see it from here. We came to the room, we checked in and we had some nice hot chai. Chai was really good. Charan already took a nice bath, nice shower. I did not take it yet because Sriman Kotaru has to work out. Already feeling a little bit guilty because I've been eating a little bit of protein bars and all that. I mean, protein bar is still fine. It's allowed in my diet, especially when I'm traveling, but still little bit guilty because I missed my proper diet. After 6 months, I'm missing it. So anyways, I'll go to the gym. Charan will be doing some, what are you planning to do? Videography and
mask
yeah, obviously I got my mask. First thing, when I enter the hotel, first thing I asked this while checking in, is there a gym? Yeah, when you become a fitness freak, wherever you go, you want to find gyms, hotels with gyms. What did we do from morning? We sat on the bike, but yeah, back to a little bit gone. We lost experience in riding long distances. Like 2-3 hours it's fine, but after...
believe it if we came to Belgaum in 9 hours.
We came to Belgaum in 9 hours, that's fine, but Didn't you feel a little bit of stress in your back?
Only
In your butt especially?
Only bum.
Yeah,
That's normal.
He was standing continuously. Okay.
Swimming pool
There is a swimming pool. By the way, this place is called Farfield by Marriott, and we got it at a very less price. Usually they should cost you somewhere around 15 to 20,000 per night. 15,000 at least.
I don't think so. 15,000, maybe 10,000.
10,000. We got it for half the price. 5,000 per night. Two of us sharing, so 2,500 per night. Amazing. This time we need good places to stay, especially because of COVID and all that. Gains. Go and swim. Oh yes. Charan, what's your reaction?
My school bench alone.
Bad luck. We cannot take such huge cameras, it seems. Phone page allowed. Phones are allowed. This guy got a drone as well.
You guys got a mate.
We didn't ask actually. They saw us with all this equipment and they said, "Sir, no photography allowed, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir, phone is allowed, but professional cameras like this are not allowed." And Jipid open. Sharon, you enjoy your time lapse. I'll go to the gym and come.